The Californian chain, known for its killer burgers, fries and milkshakes, opened its first In-N-Out in 1948 in Baldwin Park, California. Owner Harry Snyder bought fresh meat and produce for the restaurant daily, where his wife Esther handled the accounting out of their home just around the corner. Harry's sons Rich and Guy took over the chain when their father passed away in 1976, keeping it running with the help from their mother. Today, Harry and Esther's only grandchild is the owner. In the beginning, all In-N-Out burgers were ground and formed into patties using a manual press. Now the patties are made at a company-owned facility in California and Texas, so the burgers don't need to be frozen. In-N-Out embraces burger variation, so it's totally okay to switch things up. You can order a double meat or really load up on beef with the 3x3 or 4x4, plus all the usual fillings. Vegetarians can even opt for a grilled cheese, complete with lettuce, tomato, spread and onions. And those watching their carb intake might want to take in the protein style, wrapped in lettuce instead of a bun. But there's one secret menu item that reigns supreme: animal style. Thanks to requests from diners, the chain introduced the specialty burger back in 1961. It's a mustard-cooked beef patty topped with lettuce, tomato, pickles, extra spread, and grilled onions. The company got its start in California and has slowly expanded over the years. Today there are locations in California, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Texas, and Oregon. But that's it. People on the US East Coast will just have to wait patiently until the day they can bite into a double-double on their own turf.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes.
Can I get one double animal style by itself?
Get 61, please.
Alright guys, In-N-Out double animal style. No way can Rob beat this. Seriously, look at it.
So here's how you make In-N-Out's double-double animal style at home. Start by making the special spread. Into a bowl, add 2/3 of a cup of whole egg mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix until combined and leave aside. Now for the onions. Into a pan over a low heat, add 1 brown onion finely diced and gently cook down the onions until soft and caramelized, which should take 30 to 40 minutes. If the onions start to dry out, just add a small amount of water to plump them up again. For the burgers, use fresh ground beef chuck with plenty of fat, about a 70-30 split, and shape into thin round burgers. Season the burgers with salt and pepper on both sides and cook for 2 minutes over a high heat. Before flipping, spread 1 teaspoon of yellow American mustard over the burger and then flip. The mustard will char really nice with the beef. After 1 minute, add slices of American cheese and top with grilled onions. To assemble, toast your soft buns. Then to the heel bun, add the spread: 2 dill pickle chips, 2 slices of ripe tomato, iceberg lettuce, and then the 2 beef patties. Place the crown on top and serve. And now all we have to do is get stuck into this bad boy.
Hi Jason.
Hi.
Hi, thank you so much for coming.
Oh, thanks for having me. I'm looking forward to it.
Great. Do you like In-N-Out?
I do like In-N-Out.
A lot?
I do like. I eat it a lot. So
Hopefully that benefits me then.
we're gonna find out. I'm ready to. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat.
Awesome, let's go.
Okay.
Jason, welcome.
Thanks for
Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for coming.
Today we're doing In-N-Out, which is one of my favourites, and I'm a little bit worried about this one because it's iconic. If I win this,
I might as well just catch the next plane home.
but if I win this, I will have a major notch on my belt. It'll be huge.
In-N-Out is tough.
It is.
It's a tough one. It's iconic.
Yeah. Well, you're going to be the judge.
All right.
So, can you, before you put your blindfold on, I think you need to stick one of those hats on.
Oh,
That's gonna make it hard.
you should have made one of your own versions of this hat as well. And I could have worn both of them.
Maybe.
A half and half hat.
Yeah.
There you go.
How's that?
That looks good.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. You look like you work there.
I feel employed.
Okay.
That's good.
I heard that their salary is how much for a manager?
Yeah.
I read 160,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in the wrong job.
So for
Yeah.
the next 5 minutes, you're on.
Let's open up an In-N-Out franchise. What are we doing here? I'm ready to go.
For the next 5 minutes, you're earning 160,000.
Okay.
You can cook it.
Which is about
We'll
50
run it.
bucks.
Okay.
All right. If you could pop a blindfold on for me, please, Jason.
I will pick the pink one.
Okay.
Am I good?
You look fantastic.
All right.
So in front of you is a bag, and in that bag are 2 In-N-Out double animal style.
Okay.
So open the bag,
I go for it?
go for it.
Okay. I gotta go deeper.
What do you like about it?
It's light. It's dense, but it's light. I don't know if I got stuff all over me. It feels very heavy and it's dense. It feels dense to eat, but when you eat it, it doesn't feel super heavy. Like right now I don't feel necessarily like, I feel bad about myself. Like I can go for like a 1 minute run after this.
Right, okay.
Tops.
Tops.
Yeah. It's very bready. Like bread is one of the more dominating things I'm tasting.
All right, try the next one.
Okay. It was the same. I don't know why I'm obsessed with the weight. It's very similar. It's very, very similar. This one maybe be a little bit sweeter. I'm getting like a little sweet taste. I don't know if it's the tomatoes.
What do you like about that one?
It's similar to the other one. I'm getting a little more meat in this one, though. Getting more meat in this one. Still dense bread, but I'm getting more meat and it's a little bit sweeter. Yeah.
Anything you don't like about that one?
Not really. I'm feeling this one right here.
If you had to pick one, which do you think is In-N-Out?
This is such a...
Do they taste similar?
They do taste very, very similar.
Okay.
And they both taste good.
If you had to buy one, which one would you buy?
I'm probably gonna go with this one, only because I like the heavy bread, and for some reason, like I didn't get, I don't hate tomatoes, but I don't love tomatoes, and I got hit with a lot of tomato in this one, and I don't feel like I got hit with a lot of tomato in this one, so I'm gonna go with this one right here.
Okay, take your blindfold off, Jason.
Man, it is tough. Hold on, let me look. You know what? I'd say this one's In-N-Out.
I can tell you.
You are wrong.
Okay.
You're wrong.
Oh,
That is mine, and that is In-N-Out.
oh.
So I lost.
I won too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, who wins? Do you win?
I win.
Okay, good. As long as somebody wins.
I wanted to win that one. But if I'm going to lose, I'll lose to In-N-Out.
They make a great
He
burger.
thought mine was In-N-Out?
And he wouldn't buy it.
I was kind of looking at the meat, like I kind of was like, but very, very similar. I mean, the bread is like identical. The sauces, I couldn't tell the difference either.
Really?
No.
Wow.
That's what I was looking for.
Okay.
Remember what we were talking about? I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
that's what I was looking for. Couldn't tell the difference. You know, I was honest, and we'll all grow from this.
I wanted to win that so bad. But you know what? I'm happy.
You just can't beat In-N-Out.
I'm happy again. I had the meat problem with.
You're full of excuses.
No, I'm not. No. I'm just saying.
You can't. In-N-Out is just too good. You just can't
Look,
make In-N-Out.
I love In-N-Out. But I tell you what. You know what? I'm glad.
I am the champion.
He said I nailed the sauce.
Yes, you did know the sauce, but it wasn't enough to win. I am the champion.
No, you're not.
Are you going to congratulate me on a win?
No.
Have I? You are a sore loser.